Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. Hello friends, I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm going to be making a washi tape birthday card slash Valentine's Day card, and you'll need an A2 sized panel. That's 80-pound white cardstock. It's the Nina Solar White, and then some washi tape. I'm using this washi tape here. I got it on Amazon, and I'm using a yellow, a purple, and a pink. Those are great colors for Valentine's Day. And then also this silver nail striping tape. And then you'll need some heart dies. These are the Sizzix framelit hearts. And I'm just going to be placing my washi tape down at a diagonal. And then also I will form some straight lines as well. And that'll create some triangles on my card. And I'm just laying these down to try to get an even look. I'm trying to just put the same amount of the different colors down. And I'll go back and add some more in a moment. I'm just adding some edges with that silver nail striping tape. I think that gives, it lends an air of elegance to the card. Even though the washi tape is, some of it is kind of whimsical with the stars there, but I like it a lot. And I think that there's still too much white on the card, so I go back and go ahead and put in some more washi tape. And I'm not worried about overlapping. I do have some overlap on some of these, and I think that's perfectly fine. I'm not worried about it. Matter of fact, I think that makes it look really nice. But I did want to leave some open edges because I'm going to add some solid color in kind of a pinkish purplish metallic paint. So that's why I put that matte down. So this is, I think this is a brand from Crayola, and I'm just using it to add some color to those white spaces there, those white triangles. And I think it looks really nice. And I'm not worried about going over the washi tape or the nail striping tape. As a matter of fact, that nail striping tape, I was worried that it wasn't going to stick down, so I think putting that little bit of paint over it is kind of a good thing. The paint is transparent, so it doesn't cover it up. Okay, so now I use those heart dies to cut out a heart from this paper, and what I'm going to do is just tape down the back of that washi tape and nail striping tape so it doesn't come up. I'm just using regular Scotch tape here. I think that will secure it nicely. Now I'm going to make my card base. This is Nina Solar White 110-pound, and it's a 8.5 by 11 sheet that I cut at 5.5 and rotated it and scored at 4.25, and that gives me my card base. Now I'm going to use some, this is called score tape. I got it from scrapbook.com, and I'm just going to put that down, and it didn't stick really well to some of the to the washi tape, so I go ahead and bring in my Scrapbook Adhesive's tape runner adhesive and go over the areas where that adhesive doesn't stick. You'll see right there, see it's not really sticking to that washi tape, so I'm just bringing in this different adhesive here. But I definitely wanted to use that strong adhesive, that score tape, because you know, the panel has a couple of different layers on it, so I just wanted to make sure that it stays on my card base and doesn't come loose. So again, just bringing in that other adhesive here, and then gonna just put that on the front of my card. Now you can pop up this heart, and that is quite pretty, but I also wanted to go ahead and add a background to it to sort of set it apart from the rest of the card. And I really think that adding a pink background is beautiful for this. So see, you could leave it like that. That is pretty, and certainly that's your choice if you'd like to do that. Okay, so I am going to trace this die so that I can create that pink background for that heart. And this die is the one that I used to cut the heart out of the washi tape page that I created. Now, when you're fussy cutting, it's always good to turn the paper instead of the scissors. That'll help you get a more of a straight, perfect cut. Okay, so you can see here with this die that it creates that little, when I traced it, it created that little border. Now this is the second card I made, so don't get confused. I just wanted to show you that I cut out the word happy birthday from that Sizzix Tim Holtz word die set called Celebration. And I just cut out 3 happies and 3 birthdays and glued them all together, and then I am adhering them to my cards here. So with the second card to the left there that you see, all I did was make a smaller heart, and then I cut out a bigger heart. Instead of tracing, I just used 2 dies that were concentric with each other. And now I'm going to add some acrylic hearts here. These are like those little sort of confetti hearts that you get at the stores when you want to decorate for a party or put inside a card and people can open it and the confetti comes out. But I'm using it kind of like sequins here to just decorate my card. I used 3 on that card to the left, and now I'm going to use 3 on the heart and 2 by the word birthday down here. You can see them really well in real life, but not so much in person. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and like it, a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and hit that notification bell. I hope you had a great time. Hope this inspired you, and I hope you'll give it a try. Bye-bye.